Okay, I've been fiddling with the camera too much and I just need to get started. This is really weird because it feels like I'm talking to myself. Which I am, I guess. Hi, my name is Samantha and I don't know how from the mystery of YouTube you managed to find my channel, but I'm glad you're here. So today this is my first video and I'm just going to do a little tryout of my Besame lipsticks and just tell you about myself and my channel and where I hope to go with this. So first, let's get this Fenty out of here because that's what I've been wearing all day. So I'm just gonna get out of my magic box that I got right here. I don't have a mirror down here, so I'm just going to be using my Jeffree Star Princess Cut Compact. It's no reason. It's just because I like the huge mirror. I mean, look at this. So first I'm going to take off my lipstick using these Target cleansing cloths. I mean, they work. They're not the best, but they work. And they're probably going to manage to take off all of my foundation around my lips, so we're going to have to conceal that up. So first things first about me. I just want to say that I am not a makeup artist. I'm not claiming to be. I'm not trying to be. I mean, maybe it's in my future, but right now that's not my focus. I'm just somebody who likes makeup and wants to share it. And wait a sec. Let's get this off. So I just want to share that love, and my whole point basically is that it doesn't matter what you look like. Makeup is for you. So first here, I'm going to conceal my lips using my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Fair Beige. Let's see this sucker in action. And yeah, it looks ridiculous, but I'm going to get my fake knockoff beauty blender. She's a little bit dirty right now. She's a dirty bird. And I'm just going to mash that around till my mouth looks like a mouth. All better. So the first color I'm going to try out today is from Besame's Snow White collection. And this I loved. And I was ordering like these colors online, and I happened to be at my mall, and I walked into the store, I think it's called like Lunchbox, and they had like the Snow White stuff. And I was freaking out because I had just ordered these ones, and I was really impatient for them to come in, you know that feeling. So I had to pick this one up. And this one is in the color Snow White Red. But if you look, it's really weird shaped. And it's shaped like a wedge, I suppose. So it has these corners, instead of it being like an angle cut, it's like a double angle cut. So first, I think they suggest that you line your lips with one of the points, which I have to do. So yeah, I look solidly crazy. And here we go. This one is Snow White Red. So let's take that off. Conceal again. Get the crazy off. Next we're going to move into Dusty Rose. So this one we're getting out of the red territory, but don't worry, we'll be right back because I got like 2 more here. So this one is Dusty Rose, and it's like this nice mauve-y rose, like Dusty Rose. I think I'd compare it to like Rosewood from Makeup Forever. I think that's the name. I don't know. But yeah, this one's like that. And then next we're going to do Portrait Pink, which is actually like one of my favorites, and I don't wear it enough because I'm not really into pinks. I'm into nudes and I'm into reds. But this is a really lovely shade. Again, I hope I don't look crazy. I'm gonna have to conceal my lips again after this because I got 2 reds to try on. So we're gonna take the dirty old makeup remover. And I'm gonna go back in. Where'd you go? With my Shape Tape. And just bounce her all around. So I think I'm gonna do Victory Red next, which is my favorite of all of theirs, and I think it's everybody's favorite because it's always sold out. Like, I can never find it, or I could, like, obviously I can find it. It's online, but I had to wait for a couple of days for it to come back in stock. So this one's really, really pretty, and it's like a different red. Like, I was wearing the Fenty earlier, and that one, I don't know, this one's more of a blue, and it's also a tad pinkier. Like, it's not a strong red, but it's like, it's there. Clown face. Look at this big old clown face. So right now I'm going to go in with American Beauty. Now I am going to say, if you watch closely, this isn't really like one swipe application. Ooh, look at that dirty hand. You have to kind of work it to get the true color to come out. Like, this is one swipe. And yeah, it's there, but watch, and like, it's great. Like, yeah, okay, one swipe. Watch after going over it. That tone increases, and it becomes more of that blue. And it's almost like a purpley. I don't know if you can see that, but they're definitely ones that you want to like do 2 or 3 swipes on. So I'll just swatch them all down my hand here so you can see comparisons. Because, okay, so this one is American Beauty, and then we're going to swatch Victory Red next to it, which this one is definitely one swipe. Like, that was great. And then we're going to take let's do all the reds together. Let's do Snow White Red. We're going to do that next to Victory. Now this one's almost between the two. Like, if you look, this one's darker blue, and then this one's more of a cherry. And this one hits like right in the middle. And then I'll do the 2 pinks, and these are like wildly different. So here's Portrait Pink. And then here is Dusty Rose. So this one's definitely more of a mauve, and this one's more of a baby pink. So if you're looking for the difference there, that's what it is. So here's all 5 that I have swatched. Again, I'm gonna look like a crazy person. And this is the end of my first video. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you'll come back for more. So yeah, thanks for watching, and of course I have all my information down below, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm at SamanthaXPXBeauty.